First you need to go to the Microsoft Store over here, or you need to search for it in the search area, and you open up the Microsoft Store. And now you need to search for Sharp Keys. After that you select Sharp Keys, and you can install it from here. And as you can see, it is now installed, so you can close the store, and then you go to the search area again and you search for Sharp Keys, and then you will see Sharp Keys over here. Okay. And here you can add the keys that you want to disable. So you select add, and you can choose from this list. So you can choose a key that you want to disable from here. You can also select type key, and now you can press a button on your keyboard. So let's say the G, for example, 0022. Okay, and here you can select what it needs to do. So we want key G to turn the key off. Then you select OK, and you need to write it to your registry, so this button over here. And as you can see, you need to log out or reboot the system before this takes effect. So OK, and you can add more keys if you want to. So add, let's say we choose from this list, so we want the B, turn key off. OK, write to registry. OK, and now those two keys won't work anymore. So you can also delete them. So let's say we want to enable the B, delete, write to registry, close. And after this you need to log out or restart your system, and then this key won't work anymore. So this is how to disable any key in a laptop keyboard. I hope this video was helpful for you. If this was the case, please leave a like, and I'll see you in the next video.